How to get vibrant white eyes. Use regular eye drops like Visine or Clear Eyes. These eye drops are used to reduce redness inside your eyes and provide them a little bit of moisture to combat irritants or else dryness within the eyes. Visine, Clear Eyes, along with other brands can be bought at grocery and pharmacies, in addition to bigger stores like Target, Walmart, and so forth. Put 12 drops within the affected eye. Consume a rainbow of vegetables and fruit. Orange and yellow vegetables and fruit, for example carrots, pumpkins, lemons, and oranges, contain vitamins and antioxidants that can help keep the eyes white. Eating eco-friendly, leafy foods like green spinach and kale in addition have a positive impact on your eye health. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and peanuts also contain minerals that promote eye health. Take supplements. Your eye rely on good amounts of vitamin A and C to keep their own health. Additionally to consuming foods wealthy during these vitamins, have a supplemental vitamin every day. Also boost your height of omega-3 acids if you take 4 capsules every day of omega-3 or omega-3 fatty acids supplements.